Dapat nyo ito mapanood, lalo na sa nabaksinan. Ito.
Gagamitin daw ni Bill Gates ang vaccines para pababain ang population sa buong mundo. Tingnan natin.
First, we've got population. The world today has 6.8 billion people. That's headed up to about 9 billion. Now, if we do a really great job on new vaccines, healthcare, reproductive health services, we could lower that by perhaps 10 or 15%.
Wait, what? Lowering down of population by 10 to 15%. By how? New vaccines, reproductive health services, and healthcare. So, he's trying to eradicate poor people by vaccines? Let's listen more.
You even say that extreme poverty can be solved, you say, by 2035, which is an amazing number to think about. If we use ingenuity, what kind of ingenuity are you thinking about, talking about?
Well, we have to take science and help the poorest. For example, to get rid of a disease like malaria, we'll take new medicines, new vaccines, to get their farming productivity, which is a third of U.S. farming productivity, up close to that level so they can feed themselves, send their kids to school. They need new and better seeds. A lot of that ingenuity comes from the richer countries, governments, philanthropists, but we can see that this is possible. And the kind of negative mindset people have that poor countries are stuck, that's going to hold us back. That's why that myth is a disaster.
So, he's talking about eradicating poverty, not poor people. And he's trying to use new vaccines, proper healthcare, so that overpopulation will be eradicated. Medyo malabo ata. Parang hindi logical na magpuproduce ka ng vaccine, kasi maraming vaccine, maganda yung healthcare, matagal mamamatay yung mga tao. So, malabo ata yung iniisip niya. Dapat hindi maganda yung vaccine, hindi maganda yung healthcare, para hindi dadami ang tao. That's the logic. Pero, iba yung iniisip niya, kabaliktaran ata. Tingnan natin kung ano ba talaga ang paliwanag niya dito.
In this year's annual letter, Melinda and I take the toughest questions we get asked and give our answers. One that's come up for a long time is, as we make the world healthier, is the population going to get so big that feeding everybody and maintaining the environment is going to be impossible? Here we can see a chart that looks at the total world population over the last several hundred years. And at first glance, this is a bit scary. We go from less than 1 billion in 1800, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.4 billion where we are today is happening even faster. So Melinda and I wondered whether providing new medicines and keeping children alive, would that create more of a population problem? What we found out is that as health improves, families choose to have less children. And this effect is very, very dramatic. We find that in every country of the world, this is repeated. The population growth goes down as we improve health. So we've taken that chart that shows the global population growth, and we've actually extended it out all the way to 2100. And we can see that instead of continuing, it actually flattens out. Another way to see that is through this rate of population growth. And you can see that in the 60s, that reached a pretty high number, over 2% per year, and it's now come way, way down. Now, 11 billion people, still a lot, but the good news is that the faster we improve health, the faster family size goes down, and so we can feel great about saving those lives.
For me, agree ako doon sa sinasabi niya. To lower down population and to lower down poverty is to provide proper healthcare. Kasi tingnan natin, i-relate natin sa sarili nating bansa sa Pilipinas. Kung saan pa yung sa bukid at kung sino pa yung medyo hindi nakapag-aral, sila pa yung mas maraming anak. Have you noticed that? And the more you learn, the more you have knowledge and the more you have access to healthcare, sila pa yung nagko-control ng population. Sila pa yung nagsasabi tama na yan, mahirap na. And I agree to that. Pero yung depopulation na sinasabi nila, yung mga world order na 2030, I don't think it's fair para sa kanya. Na misinterpret lang ata natin.